medical device industry is a dynamic and highly innovative sector with excellent prospects for the future. However, manufacturers are often under pressure. On the one hand, speed is very important. On the other hand, quality and consistent compliance with regulations, which differs widely around the world, must not be neglected. The directives require 100% tracking of the development as well as of all changes after the product has been launched on the market. Complicated legal regulations and approval procedures are associated with a high effort for documentation as well as risk and quality management. With a PLM solution, medical device manufacturers can optimize their product development, quality and compliance processes. The software is based on a single product data source and built-in control procedures. This means that the system automatically keeps all documents up to date and accessible to all process participants. Even external applications such as compliance management can be easily accessed via a federated environment like XSphere.